I want to welcome everybody to the 2021 National Welding Competition here at Kentucky Welding Institute. We got a great day of events, fun, awesome prizes. Somebody's walking away with a brand new, fully restored SA200 red face.
Hey, Lady Welder Cat, Catherine Redding here at Kentucky Welding Institute in Flemingsburg, Kentucky. Super excited to be here at the Weld competition.
I'm out here in KWI, came all the way from Corpus Christi, South Texas, so I've been looking at their program for quite a while now. Pretty top-of-the-notch equipment and instructors, that's not something you see every day.
The future of welding is great. It's one of the most in-demand careers, not only in America, but in the world. So we need the next generation to step up to the plate, learn the skill, and get out there and keep our infrastructure in America working great.